Aloha. This is Deborah Dove, live from my balcony in Maui. And this was inspired by all the balcony singers out there. Keep singing. Isolation, introspection, incarnation, illumination, hunkered down, sequestered. Inside the cocoon, voices still heard. Caged birds singing from our balconies. Through isolation finding harmonies. Caged birds sing. Caged birds singing from their balconies. Through isolation finding harmonies. Caged birds sing. Can I touch you without touching you? Can you touch me without touching me? Love has no bounds. Touching us all without touching us at all. 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 Be aware, we all breathe the same air. Kaya's catching her breath while the big machine's on hold. Go inside, no need to hide. Know your worth, know your worth in this collective rebirth. Let it be, let it be. Truth, humility, go within, where the healing can begin. Caged birds singing from our balconies. Through isolation finding harmonies. Caged birds sing. Caged birds singing from our balconies. Through isolation finding harmonies. Caged birds sing. Birds are returning to the lockdown cities, singing the songs for the lungs of the planet. Singing the songs for the love of the planet. Birds are returning to the lockdown cities. Singing the songs for the lungs of the planet. Singing the songs for the love of the planet. Birds are returning. Caged birds sing. Birds are returning. Caged birds sing. Touching us all without touching us at all. 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 Please keep singing.